How to fix error code CE-36244-9 on PS4. Here are some tips that would help you fix error code of CE-36244-9 on PS4. 1. Back up your personal data, then revamp your database. 2. Restart your PlayStation 4. Then restart the download from the game's icon on the home screen or under notifications downloads. 3. Customize your PS4 internet settings, use a static IP. Change the DNS server. Try a different network. Using a LAN instead. 4. Switch to the original HDD, if you are using an upgraded HDD, and reinstall PS4 system software. Note, if you are using the original HDD, try system initialization at settings initialization initialize PlayStation 4 quick. Try to re-download the content from the library later.